Today, I'm gonna show you how to earn money on PayPal. Everybody uses PayPal, don't they? Do you use PayPal? Well, go ahead and put that in the comments. I use PayPal. Tons of people I know use PayPal. Even VAs that I use PayPal. So why not? We're using it to pay. Why not get some money from them, some free money? I mean, why not, right? I'm going to show you how to do this with a simple site in this video today. But I promise you, you're going to want to stay with me and step by step and follow me along, okay? First, subscribe to the channel, please, if you haven't, so I can help you make money online. Thanks. If you're wondering, Shelly, what am I really going to learn? 1, you're going to learn how to make instant money with PayPal. 2, not only are you going to make money, you're going to make consistent money. And 3, I'm actually going to show you an example of exactly how to do this. Let's go. All right, guys. I've been having a lot of people tell me that they want to be able to make money, and not just for people that live in the United States. So I've been really focusing on trying to help other people where you don't just live in the United States. So guess what? This is worldwide. And you know, it helps me out when you comment and let me know where you live so I can keep focusing on those areas. Like I recently did a video, I think it was on how to make money on your phone, but I chose apps. Like one was worldwide, one was in certain areas, but I chose the apps from the areas where people were commenting. So I do look at that from where you live. I really want to help you. The site, Validately, V-A-L-I-D-A-T-E-L-Y. Okay, so all we need to do is create an account. What type of mobile device do you own? I own an iPhone. I'm on a Windows PC, Windows 10. I am a female. What year were you born? Oh, I hate to tell you guys this.
1977. Yeah, I know, right?
I graduated from 2 different colleges. What is your employment status? I'm self-employed. In what industry are you working? I have all of my degrees are in IT, so we could choose that. But also you can choose display additional stuff. You scroll down. I'm gonna just choose IT. It's not like I don't know it. Next. What is your job title? I'm gonna be a marketing manager. Next. On this one, I definitely wouldn't do this. I would do one of these. Next, what is your full name? Everybody knows I am Shelly Hopkins because I created my business under my name. Next. This one is going to ask for my email address, and then the next page is going to ask for my PayPal because I've been through this through my PayPal. So I'm going to enter that in and see you in just a second. Okay, I forgot it asks after you enter that, then you have to enter your password. And then question 15 is what time zone do you live in? Detect my location. Okay, next, agree. Thanks for signing up. Before you can get paid to take tests, you must take this simple 1-minute screener test. Remember I told you we had, we were going to go through the example. This is the example that we're going to go through. Are you ready? Hey guys, do me a favor. It helps me in the algorithm. And if you're liking this and think it's just kind of cool, give me a like. Thanks. Take the test. Okay, guys, pay attention to this and all the fine print. Just trust me. Okay. We're recruiting people to take test websites from their home or office. If you are selected to join our panel, you will get emails about tests that you can take. To be applicable, you need to take this quiz screening test. It will only take 1 minute. Okay. Only use Chrome, guys. Only use Chrome. Only use Chrome. Do not use Firefox or Internet Explorer. This ties into Google and a bunch of other like huge companies. Let's take the test. This is where your task instructions will appear. Okay, I'm ready to begin the test. Okay, add to Chrome, added the extension. Okay, start the test. Allow. I am ready to begin this session. Share your screen. Okay, I select to share. Share. Remember to think out loud. Add a note to the notepad. Don't forget to subscribe. Add note. Okay, we did exactly what it said to complete this test. Confusing. Nope. Next, any suggestions to make this app easier? Not at them. moment. And I ain't adding that, no blooper. Okay, please do not close the tab until upload is complete. It should be just a few more seconds. Thank you. You can close this tab. Boom. Also, guys, if the test didn't pop up on the site like it did for me, they will send you an email, and they sent mine, and I went in and just in case, and because I was like, maybe I have to do both, and did it or clicked on it, but it said you'd already taken it. But they might go ahead and send it to your email as well. And if they do, it took like 10 minutes for me to get mine. FYI. Okay, give me a thumbs up, because this is actually really, really cool, isn't it? But it's not passive, guys, and I teach passive affiliate marketing because it is the #1 way for someone to get started, and you don't have to have a whole bunch of cash either. So if you want to do what I do, it's the first link in the bio, and I also help you with it for free. Yes, for free. I was a senior network engineer, and I went from doing that to now, because of the first link in the bio, I do this full time, and I love this. I love getting on YouTube, and I do TikTok, and getting on here and teaching you guys and helping you. But I wouldn't have be able to do it if it wasn't for the first link in the bio. So I want to help you to make passive income. I teach on my YouTube channel and ways to make money, so you can take that money later and then you can put it in on a course if you want, or anything to help you with your marketing. But you really want to do passive affiliate marketing. It's the first link in the bio. And if you liked this video after you subscribed, go ahead and you're going to watch the next video that we have up. I'm telling you, you're going to love it. See you on the next one.